Hi guys, welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today I'm teaching something that's probably meant for all those book lovers out there. A bookmark, and it's like July 4th theme, but you can make it any colors you want. And we're adding a cute optional part, which is going to be a tassel, and it's optional, but it looks really nice with the tassel. Let's get started. Okay, to start, I'm starting with my red yarn, but remember, you can do it any color you want as this bookmark. This is just the OG bookmark tutorial. I'm just making it July 4th theme. Okay, to start off, we're going to make a slip knot. And to make a slip knot, I'm showing you the method that I do most often. I just press my hook down and I twist it forward like this, and then I yarn over, turn my hook to the left and pull through that loop, and there you go. You can also do it the original way by watching my video, Basic Stitches #1. And you always have to turn your hook to the left to pull through, because that's the way the yarn will actually come through the loop. Okay, and now to start with, we're going to be chaining 20. And to chain, yarn over, turn your hook to the left and pull through. Let me show you again slower. Yarn over, turn your hook to the left, pull through the loop. So I made 2 chains. Here's my 3rd, 4th, 5th, and you're just going to be chaining 20, and make sure to count. And here I've got 20 chains, and now we're going to make 1 extra chain. And now on your 2nd chain from your hook, you're going to make a half double crochet. And first of all, this is our 21st chain, right? And this is our 20th chain. So people count that as the 2nd chain, because that's the 2nd chain from your hook. That makes sense, right? 1, 2, our 2nd chain. And now to make half double crochet, you'd yarn over, insert in our 2nd chain, like that. And then you're going to yarn over, turn it to the left, pull through. And now you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over, turn it to the left, and pull through all 3. You can add a stitch marker if you want, but I'm not going to here. Let me show you again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all 3, and just do that until you reach the end of all these chains. Now I'm on my 20th chain, and pull through 3. Now we finished our first row of the bookmark. Congrats. Now chain 1 and fasten off. And now put your hook in the loop and pull it outwards. And now all the way from the start on our first stitch, insert and pull your white yarn through. See, I inserted my hook, and now I got my white yarn, and I'm just going to pull it through. You can also make a slip knot and pull it through. Let me show you how. You can make your slip knot, like that. And then on your first stitch, when you insert, you can pull this slip knot through, if you want to do it like that. And now we're going to chain 1 and make it small, and now we can make another normal chain. And now in this stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert, and you can also put the yarn tail over your hook to crochet alongside it. And now insert in the next stitch, put the yarn tail over, and make your 2nd half double crochet, and just do that until the end. Guys, I'm about to finish, and I just wanted to know that I'm at the part where the top red yarn, not the bottom, but the top can reach exactly to my stitch, so I can make a half double crochet yarn over insert, and I can put that red yarn tail over as well and make my half double crochet, and then I can pull it out to straighten it. Here I'm on my last stitch. And we finished. It's looking nice right now. And now we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. And pull out your loop. And now we are going to insert your hook in the first stitch, like this. And then you can make your slip knot. And then pull it through like that, and then chain 1, make it small, that doesn't really count, then make your next chain. Now make a half double crochet, and now it's the same pattern as the last 2 rows, just make 1 half double crochet, knit stitch until the end, and make sure to crochet with the yarn tails, it's much easier. And again, I'm at my yarn tail place. So yarn over, insert, put the yarn tail on my hook, like that. And then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, all 3 loops. Okay, and I'm on my last stitch. And we're pretty much done with our bookmark. Chain 1, fasten off. And now put your hook in the loop and pull it outwards. And the back looks nice because what do? We crocheted with the yarn tails. Just gonna cut a little bit off. And now just cut into your yarn tails and make it look nice, and I'll be right back. Okay, now your bookmark is done, but you can call this a day and just think that this is the bookmark you want, but I'm going to make an optional part that can really make your bookmark look nice. I'm going to do a tassel that will stick out from the bottom, so when you put your bookmark on any page, the tassel will stick out from the bottom and it'll look really nice. So let's start doing that. Here I've got a piece of cardstock to wrap my yarn around for a tassel. You can use anything that's just flat and sturdy like this. And I've got my 3 yarns because I want to do it with 3 yarns, but you can do it with any color. And now I'm going to wrap it around. And now I'm done. So now from this part, at the bottom, I'm going to cut it off. Like that. And now we can tie it up. Now I made the circle and I put my red yarn through, and now we're going to tie it. And I'm going to tie it again. Now I'm going to cut my yarn off. And now at the bottom, we're just going to cut it off like this. And then you can fix it and snip it off until it's the perfect length you want it to be. I've cut them up, but as you can see, they're pretty uneven. So now you can trim them until it's the length, and they all look really nice and even. Now over here, this is also an optional part of the tassel. You can be done like this, but I'm going to tie it over here so it looks like a little ball here, and then it's loose at the bottom. I'll show you when I do it. Okay, now I've tied it over here. This is how it looks like. So if you're doing it like me, you can, through the tie, you can just pull your yarn through, or you can cut it off. See, you can just put it down here, and so it'll just be part of the club. And now on your bookmark, you are going to secure it on, but how? So let me show you. You are going to insert on this half double crochet like through the stitch, and now you're going to pull the red yarn through like that, and now you're just going to knot it. So pull it through, make a loop like that, and through the loop put your hook, and then the yarn, pull it through to knot it, and then your tassel secure like that. And here's your bookmark. It's really fun, easy, and pretty, and it'll look like this. If I put it, it'll look like that, and it looks really nice. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share.